Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another channel. Like, subscribe, and share my channel. Today I would like to discuss about the recent experiences which I would like to discuss with you all regarding the chilled weather over here in the Middle East right now, especially in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Recently I experienced something personally, so I would like to discuss with you all regarding the cold weather over here in the kingdom right now. Basically, right now over here in the kingdom, the chilling weather is over here, the cold weather over here. The winter is already arrived in the kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and especially in this part of the world, near the Red Sea, in Yambo and Jeddah, we have severely cold waves over here. So, what I experienced over here, guys, recently, just within last few weeks, that the cats, they have a small baby. We call it kitten, okay? Small babies of a cat, kitten. They have no shelter. They are outside in the streets, outside our homes. So, guys, we all have to care for them. We all have to give them shelter if possible. We have to give them warm water over there if possible outside of your home. Just try to provide them some food cans, or even if a waste food you have, to provide them for the kitten especially, because they're small babies of a cat. So we have to care for them. Being a human being, we have to do some social work, and especially for the kittens, because they're small babies. They could not go for a hunt and they could not find a food over here, especially in the winter season, guys. So my advice is, my request, that please care for the small kittens around your local area, around your community, around your houses. If you find some small kittens, provide them with some water, provide them with some foods if possible, give them some shelter over there, because in the winter the kittens, they need a warm weather, they need a warm to warm themselves, they need enough time. It means ambient over there in the outside, guys, right now, especially in this past few months, and the present, it will come in the future, maybe 2-3 more months in the kingdom. Severely cold, means cold waves will come. So again, guys, we have to care for the nature. We have to care for the small babies of a cat, we call kitten. So whenever you find, and recently, I experienced, especially during the winter, like last week I experienced, my car is parked over there in the parking bay, and when I went over there in the morning to go for the duty, what I experienced, the kitten sit inside the tire, because they feel warm over there. In the night they stay over there. So whenever you guys are going for a duty in the parking bay of your car, please check around if there is a cat or a kitten sitting over there for a warm temperature, for warm weather. So just tap, knock in the car, or try to remove them. Try to tell them, bye-bye, I have to go duty, please come out. So it experienced with me. They are inside the car, inside the tire, not inside the car. Okay. It means basically, so they go sometime backside to sit inside at the night time to feel warm. And sometime inside the engine also. I have experienced this one also. A small kitten, a small baby of a cat, 2-3, they inside went inside of the car, and they sit inside at the night. When morning I went over there, half an hour it took to remove them, to tap from every corner. Then they came out. So it's my humble request to you guys, with all you good fellows and my followers, because my mind is like philosopher, I'm talking about some philosophy, and basically it's all about nature. We all have to love nature, and I am a pure believer of the humankind, and we all have to believe in the humanity, and especially for the cats and for the small kittens, we have to take care of them. and we have to give them shelter if possible, because in Yambo right now there's no, as I know, as far as I am concerned, whatever information I have, there is no shelter, cat shelter over here. So whenever in the city area or in RC, in Royal Commission community area, you guys find any kitchen, give them water, give them a shelter, and give them a warm area to have a rest, to sleep, to sit, because in winter they need more warm things to make their body heat. So it's very important, guys. We have to serve humanity. So from me, take care. Take care of your friends, take care of your family, take care of your colleagues, take care of yourself. Be happy. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Again, guys, serve humanity.